Normally, on the graph, you are given maximum and minimum points. Use the coordinates of maximum and minimum points. We can figure out amplitude, midline, also the period. We know amplitude is the distance between midline and maximum point. In other words, it's half the distance between maximum and minimum points. Amplitude equals maximum minus minimum over 2. Midline is the vertical midpoint between maximum and minimum. This D equals maximum plus minimum over 2. We know the period equals the distance between two consecutive maximum points or two consecutive minimum points. Therefore, the horizontal distance between maximum and minimum points will be half the period. So we get period equals double the horizontal distance between maximum and minimum points. Using this formula, P equals 360 degree over B, we can figure out this B equals 360 degree over period. In IBAISL level, no horizontal translation. So in this video, we only discuss f of x equals a sine bx plus d, or f of x equals a cosine bx plus d. We know this d is a vertical translation. Y equals d is the equation of principal axis. Absolute value of a is the amplitude. This B, we can use 360 degree over period to figure out. Go to question 3. The curve shown can be modeled by the function f of t equals a cosine bt plus c. T greater than or equal to -1, less than or equal to 5. A is less than 0. The curve has a maximum point at 1, 3.5 and a minimum point at 2, 0.5. Amplitude will be absolute value of A. It's half the distance between maximum and minimum points. So amplitude equals 3.5 minus 0.5 over 2 equals 1.5. Since A is negative, A equals negative 1.5. Find the value of C. C is the midline. It's the vertical midpoint between maximum and minimum. This C equals 3.5 plus 0.5 over 2 equals 2. Find the value of B. This B equals 360 over period. Let's check the period. Period equals double the horizontal distance between these two consecutive maximum and minimum points. Two minus 1. So period equals 2. B equals 360 over 2 equals 180. Question 4. When f of t equals 2, find the number of solutions. F of t equals 2. Let's draw this line. Basically, it's midline. Since t is greater than or equal to -1, less than or equal to 5, how many intersections we have on the graph will be the number of solutions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Answer is 6. Question 5. When f of t equals 0.5, find the number of solutions. 0.5. So here we have 1, 2, 3 intersections. So answer is 3. Question 6. Solve f of t equals 3 for t greater than or equal to 0, less than or equal to 2. We are given this domain. So when you use graphing calculator to solve, you have to set up x minimum equals 0, x maximum equals 2. X scale will be period over 4. Since we already figure out A, C, and B, f of t equals -1.5 cosine 180t plus 2. We will set up equation like this. -1.5 cosine 180t plus 2 equals 3. We will solve this equation by graphing. We still use the graph on Scratchpad. Clear the history, menu, action, delete all. Press tab. f1 of x equals -1.5 cosine 180x plus 2. Enter. Press menu to change the window setting. 4. Enter. Max minimum is 0. Maximum 2. Scale 2 divided by 4. Y minimum. Let's check this graph. Y minimum is -1. Y maximum we can put 5. Scale, let's put 1. Then enter. Press tab again. f2 of x equals 3. Enter. We need to figure out these two intersections. Menu, analyze the graph. Intersection 4. Control menu. Recent intersection. So we get T1 equals 0.732, T2 equals 1.27. Make sure you change the setting for the graph by doing menu, setting, display digits into auto, and automatically label points. By graphing T1 equals 0.732, T2 equals 1.72. Question 7. Solve f of t less than or equal to 1.5 for t greater than or equal to 0, less than or equal to 2. We will set up inequality negative 1.5 cosine 180t plus 2 less than or equal to 1.5. We will solve this inequality by graphing. Go back to graph on Scratchpad. Click on Tab. Upper arrow f2 of x equals. Let's put 1.5. Enter. We need to figure out these two intersections. Menu 6, 4. Then control menu, recent, intersection. We got two roots. T1 equals 0.392 as a 3-sig fix. T2 equals 1.61. From this graph, we could see this part of a graph and this part of graph. The value of f of t less than 1.5. So the solution to this inequality will be t greater than or equal to 0, less than or equal to 0.392, or t greater than or equal to 1.61, less than or equal to 2.